lady.
Howdy, howdy.
Dick.
72 acres.
It's
Bread time. You want safety? Stop watching now.
So you see, you got Miss Massey here. I went there last Saturday. Go to Lance from Bundy Bear's shed. Thanks, Lance. Fixed the starter motor so I don't have to leave it parked on a hill anymore. Turn the key, go. Well, not quite yet, because today I'm going to put the starter motor in. Got to do a bit of wiring. So we're going to go to the shed, get it done, and you're invited. So come on, let's get this show on the road then. If I can get her to roll. She don't want to go. Come on, girl. Here we go. She's airy. And go. Oh no. And woo! That was lucky. Right. I'm going to be the first to admit I do not like wiring. And because I don't like wiring, I tend to find it difficult. And maybe I find it difficult, and that's why I don't like it. But you got wires that bloody go everywhere. And you get some guys that just absolutely love it, froth at the mouth over it, and can't get enough of it. Well, come and bloody help me then. But when you presented with shit like this, you think, why? Why would you do this? Why? Now, I've got to find out, retrace these wires go. Some of them are really stiff. I think I'm going to be here a bit of a while. I think first things first, I need to trace where these wires go and should be. This is the lead that goes directly to the battery. I've colour coded this wire here to this one here that goes into the regulator using a wiring diagram online. This wire here is meant to go to this, which is like the neutral safety switch from the gear stick. So you click that into neutral, that makes a connection, then goes to the switch. Then the final part is connecting the starter motor to the switch, putting an earth lead from the battery onto the chassis, and then turning the key. So check back in when we've got to that point. You know that one, right? Yeah, buddy. Going on, ain't we, buddy? Switches button. You ready? Woohoo! Success! Success! So now the final thing is put all the wiring back, make it all neat and tidy, put the battery in its box, and yeah, happy days. Thanks.
It's not bedtime yet, girls. Time to get some water for the sweet potatoes. Come on, pups. Come on, Maggie. Rocco. Maggie. Yay. Here. We're using a 1,000-litre pod and an electric davey pump to pull water from one of our creeks so we can water our newly planted sweet potato. We could also keep water in this pod as a fire saver, which is quite handy to have on a property. It is quite time consuming collecting water in this way, but the animals love it. They love a swim in the creek, and we like to use the time to explore and spend a bit of time with the animals while we're there. You pup! Come on, Maggie. Sadie, Tilly. Everybody's happy on the home front. Now to hook up the hose and water our newly planted sweet potato crop. Oops. When all else fails, time for a beer. Then fix the problem. So we really only watered these twice a week for a few weeks, and we soon had some sprouting sweet potato, which our sheep Maggie and Jazzy loved.
Yeah, happy days. Thanks for sticking around and continue to watch the video. We really appreciate it. So give us a thumbs up, comment, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that bell notification for our next awesome and amazing videos to come.
Come on, Jazzy.
Through all the snow in these northern skies, and all them crows with their strange mournful cries.
Everybody likes the sweet potato.
And the grand soaring highs, I'll be kind to you the rest of my days.
Yeah. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Any day now, Evie. Eve's very heavily pregnant and about to drop her litter any day now. Georgie boy, the rooster, is very busy with his girls.